Okay, so today we'll be talking about the letter writing, that means the formal letter. Okay, so today we'll be talking about writing a formal letter in the midterm examination and in your final examination also. Well, to be very precise, we'll be following the structure of IELTS letter writing or letter GT, okay, general training letter writing. We'll be following the structure. Is that clear to everyone? Okay, thank you. So let's proceed without taking any hassle. Okay. So to create a perfect letter, we have to follow these structures, okay? First of all, well, we have to follow basically 7 structure. 7, here is written 6, but well, first dear, then paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3, paragraph 4, then sign off. Well, we'll be dealing with one thing. First, we have to write, thank you. First date, then dear, then paragraph 1, then paragraph 2, paragraph 3, paragraph 4, then signing off. Signing off means yours faithfully, sincerely, yours, whatever, blah, blah, blah. Okay, Mr. Omuk, blah, blah, blah. Thing? Okay. So, the thing is, first of all, what we will be writing in the paragraph, number 1. Number 2, how we'll be delivering our writing piece into that particular paragraph. Is that clear? Then these are the questions we'll be answering right now. Okay, so everyone, pen and paper on the table, please, everyone. Okay, number 1, there will be 7-part structure. Number 1 is dear. Dear means dear sir, dear madam, okay? Dear sir or madam. So we'll be writing, but before that, we'll be writing? Yes, thank you. So, dear sir, dear madam, dear colleague, dear fellow, dear folks, dear students, whatever you want to like, you like. Okay, you write. Then, paragraph 1, the purpose. Why are you writing that letter? So, basically, think about that. In order to write a letter, the first thing, why are we writing that letter? What is the purpose of to write the letter? Number 2, write about first bullet point, second bullet point, third bullet point. Well, what are the bullet points? So, basically, let's talk about that. If I ask you in the midterm examination that write a letter to the city council member to build a park in your community. Write a letter to the city council member to build a park in your community. Is it okay to you? Definitely it's okay. So first we'll be writing the date, then the dear, then why are we writing? Well, why are we writing? It should be mentioned in the question paper also. Huh? Isn't it? It's very easy. The basic subject. Even if we are writing a letter, we basically are writing an application basically. Huh? So in the subject of that question, we'll be stating that why are we writing that. So I'm asking you, write a letter to the council member of city council to build a park in your locality or in your community. So the subject will be, I am writing you a letter to build a park in my community. Isn't it very easier to you guys? It should be written in your question papers. So it's very easy to you guys to figure out what we will be writing here. Number 1, the purpose of your writing, the purpose, okay? Oh, then number 2, write about first bullet point. Well, why do you want a park to be established or a walkway to be established in your locality? Why? Just make 3 bullet points. Number 1, maybe, well, in our community there's no park, so everyone wants a park to stroll and to play. Huh? We want, yes, to exercise, definitely. Number 2, well, in our locality, we live around 100,000 people all together in our big locality, but there's no park. So how could we sustain without a park? How could we exercise? Where could we go for our community build-up? Where could we go for maybe a New Year festival? Where? There's no community center also. So we need a park, we need a field to, even for the Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha, the namaz of Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha, we have to have a park on there. So we do not have any Eidgah also. So that's why for the purpose of religion, for the purpose of community building, for the purpose of our own health, we need a park here. That may be the second bullet point. And the third bullet point is, yes, this is our national problem. Yeah, our youngsters are not basically having so much playing activities nowadays. They are having mobile phones, they are having PUBG and Free Fire games. So that's not very good thing for our youngsters to have. In order to save them from those kind of bad things, we need a park so that our youngsters could have a place where they can play cricket, football, or whatever outside activities, the outdoor activities we could say. Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So these are basically bullet points. Well, to be very honest, in your midterm examinations, there shall be two ways. One is the slightly harder way, and another one is a comparatively easier way. Okay, in the harder way, comparatively harder way, we will not be giving you any bullet points or any hints what could be the bullet points. And in the comparatively easier one, we could give you some bullet points. We will provide you the bullet points. Write a letter to the city, for example, write a letter to the city council member in order to build a park in your community. And you should be mentioning why do you need a park, what are the advantages you think a park will give you, in which time, within which time frame you need a park to be built. So these are the easiest one. I will be giving you the bullet points. You just have to write the answers only. But as far as my concern, as many other sections already here, and I'm not the only teacher who's teaching this course. I, along with another teacher of my department, is teaching this course. So basically, I cannot assure you that I'll be giving you the easiest way, so that I want my students to be prepared for everything. Even if the question paper is comparatively easy or comparatively harder, we will be prepared for that. Okay? Is that clear? Is that clear, please?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Okay, so then the sign off. In this lesson, I show how to use it. Let's see. Question structure. See, you have recently taken a 2-day course. For example, you have recently taken a bus ticket, just a bus ticket, right? Just this. You have recently taken a 2-day course. Write to the course organizer to give you feedback. In your letter, number 1, give details of the course. Hey, give details of the course. Number 2, say what you liked or disliked about it. Number 3, suggest some improvements to the course. Well, see, this is the easiest format. So 3 things have been written here already. Number 1 bullet point, give details of the course. Number 1, give details of the course. Number 2, say what you liked or disliked about it. Say something about, the course, you liked it or not liked it. Say your opinion, no problem of that. Okay, and then suggest some improvements to the course. Well, in your viewpoint, what could be the improvements that the course organizers to be looking at so that they could build that course very professional day by day? See, this is the easiest point. Well, I want my students to be prepared for the hardest one also. Well, the harder one is, I won't be giving you any bullet points. You will be writing the bullet points by your own creativity. Is that clear? See, suppose, for example, the community park. I want a community park to be built here. Why? Number 1, many people are not having a place for exercise. Many older people. So for them, we want a park. Many younger people are, they are addicted. They are, day by day, they are getting worse, the situation, by addicting themselves into mobile phone games and all those stuffs. So in order to save them from those particular kind of social degradation, we need a park so that we can provide them park or place so that they can play the outdoor games just like cricket and football. Is that clear? Okay, number 3, well, we do not have any community place to gather. We need to pray in Eid al-Fitr. We need to pray in Eid al-Adha. So how could we pray how could we pray if we do not have a place or a park or a field, an open place, huh? So that's the third reason. So please use your own creativity. If the question is comparatively harder, prepare for that. You have to use then your own creativity, and then you could write that you could write that letter to the respected authority. Okay, so see, these things are basically written here. Okay, and now we'll be practicing these things now, but off the record. Thank you. So that's the recorded class for today. Now we'll be taking this class to off the record.